So maybe you're trying to establish a grooming routine or a skincare regimen and you're not exactly sure where to start. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the starter kit from Brickell Men's Products, a very popular all-natural skincare line for men, and I'm going to show you everything that comes inside. What's up, fellas? Welcome back to Effortless Gent. If you're new here, I'm Baron, and on this channel we discuss things like how to dress stylishly, how to dress with confidence, and basic men's style tips and grooming tips, just like in today's video. So let's get a few things straight up front. One, this is not a subscription box and there is no monthly fee. It is basically a sample box that comes with 16 of their best selling products. It's valued around $60 and you pay $0 for it. All you have to do is cover the shipping and handling costs of about $6 or $7. Each sample lasts 1 or 2 weeks, and in the box there is a $10 off coupon towards your first purchase. So that basically covers the shipping and handling costs that you will be paying out of pocket for this starter kit. The best part is that you get to try a lot of their products, all the most popular products in their line, and you can pick and choose the ones that work best for you. By the way, I've been using Brickell Men's Products in my skincare routine for a few years now, I believe since 2014. So over the years, I've gotten to know the company really well and the guys behind the brand. So big shout out to Brickell for working with me, partnering with me on this video, and also sending me a few of these sample kits so I could unbox them on camera and show you guys what comes in them. Okay, so why don't we get into it? Okay, so there are a few inserts that come in this box. One is actually this flyer that encourages you to share the starter kit and you will get $10 off for every person that signs up and gets their own sample starter kit. So that's pretty cool. Second is actually a quick start guide. They do label everything that comes in the box and also instructions on how to use it. So if you're worried about you're not really sure exactly how to use these products, you don't have to worry about that. By the way, all products are natural and organic. There's nothing toxic or synthetic in them. And if you are sensitive to specific scents, you can actually choose scented or unscented versions of their products. All right, so first up is their daily strengthening shampoo. This has a combo of natural ingredients that help make your hair stronger and fuller and make your hair shiny. And they really prevent any irritation or dry skin. So they do a good job really moisturizing your scalp and not drying it out. So the all-in-one body wash is what I would use if I were in a rush. It is meant to be used on your hair, body, and face. So you shouldn't have to worry about your skin feeling really dried out or irritated after using it. Okay, so onto the face washes. These are the two that I use personally. This is the clarifying gel face wash and also the purifying charcoal face wash. I do use the charcoal face wash more personally, but both work great and my skin never really feels overly dry when I use them. The clarifying gel face wash is actually recommended for normal to oily skin, while the charcoal face wash is meant for dry or sensitive skin. The face moisturizer that I use is actually also in this starter kit, and I love this stuff. I use it every single day. It moisturizes the skin without feeling really oily or heavy, and it absorbs really fast, so it leaves your face feeling hydrated. This is the perfect thing to use after using one of their face washes. So the final bottle in this row is their aftershave. I noticed that this aftershave is really fast absorbing and there's no alcohol, so you don't really feel a burn. Instead, you get that cooling and soothing and sort of hydrated feeling after you apply it right after you shave. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the first row of tubs in the starter kit. So first thing we have is the balancing toner. You can use this first thing in the morning or even throughout the day. This literally helps balance out your skin by reducing the shine and minimizing your pores. Next up is the renewing face scrub. I'm not really totally sure how this differs from a face wash. I think it's the same other than it has little scrubbies in it that help remove the oil and dead skin from your face. I personally prefer face washes with scrubbies. I call them scrubbies. It feels like you get a better clean once you wash it off with the water just because it feels like it's really scrubbing your skin. So next up is the shave cream. This is a brushless shave cream. To be honest, I probably won't use this very much because I don't shave. You can see this is kind of all I have here. I don't shave with a razor, I use an electric razor. But I did read that this is not really meant to lather up like a normal shaving cream would. Instead, you apply it like a moisturizer and then you just go ahead and proceed shaving with a clean and a sharp blade, and it's supposed to perform really well even without that lather. Also, by the way, if you didn't notice, the name is Smooth Brushless Shave Cream, so you don't need a brush to apply this. So next up is the Purifying Charcoal Face Mask. This is meant to help extract all that bacteria and oil and all that stuff in your pores without over drying your skin. So basically what you do is you apply a smooth layer of this on your face, avoid your eyes obviously and your mouth, and you let it dry for about 20 minutes and then you rinse thoroughly once the 20 minutes is up. Finally, the last tub in this row is the Reviving Day Serum. Basically, this helps keep your skin's elasticity and firmness so you stay looking young because, I mean, who doesn't want to look young, right? Finally, onto the last row of tubs in this starter kit. So the Repairing Night Serum works very similarly to the Day Serum in that it helps keep your skin's elasticity and firmness. At the same time, it also reduces inflammation and age spots, and there is vitamin C in this thing, so it decreases any sun damage all while you sleep. So you want to put this on at night versus the other one you can wear during the day. Hence the name Night Serum. What? So next up is the Anti-Aging Cream. This helps to minimize any fine lines and wrinkles by firming, tightening up, and hydrating the skin. So there's this natural ingredient in here called DMAE. Basically what it does, it helps to contract the muscles underneath the skin on your face, obviously. That helps to tighten up the skin. Basically, the skin is affected by atrophying muscles, and if the muscles are active, then the skin is less likely to fold and wrinkle. It sounds crazy, I don't know, but hey, it's in the sample kit. Give it a shot and see if you like it. This will last you for 1 or 2 weeks, so you can give it a shot and see if it works for you. Next up is the Revitalizing Hair Conditioner. You would use this with the Daily Strengthening Shampoo in the shower, of course. It works the same way as the strengthening shampoo does. It also gives your hair a naturally fuller feeling and a shinier finish. Shinier hair always looks better than dead, sad hair, so give this a shot. Finally, the Restoring Eye Balm. This is the good stuff. I definitely need more of this. This helps brighten the skin around the eyes and also eliminates any wrinkles or lines that you may have. It also hydrates the skin around the eyes and reduces any puffiness. Obviously, I could use more of this stuff. Oh, and once you lift up this tab, there are a few more samples underneath. So here is a sample of the beard oil and also the body lotion. The beard oil, clearly, I'm not going to use because, I mean, if you can't tell, I don't really have a beard. But according to Brickell, the oils help to soften the hair and condition the skin underneath. So it's going to restore your hair's luster and soothe the skin. So good stuff. If you have a beard, it's definitely worth trying out their beard oil. The Deep Moisture Body Lotion is perfect for dry skin. It has shea butter, which is my favorite kind of butter. It really hydrates the skin and absorbs nicely as you apply and rub it in. So give this a shot after a shower and I bet you will love it. All right, well, that's it. That is everything in the box. So question for you guys today, what product in this starter kit are you looking forward to trying the most? I want to hear from you, so let me know in the comments below. I do read every comment and I try to respond to everyone as well. So why don't we get down there and start a conversation? Remember, the starter kit is completely free. All you have to do is pay the $7 for shipping and handling. The best thing about this starter kit is that no matter what is most important to you, whether that be fewer wrinkles or better hair, better skin, you are going to find a product or products in this starter kit that will work best for you, so you can really build your skincare or your grooming routine around that. So I hope you enjoyed seeing what is in the starter kit box from Brickell. If you did, please make sure you hit that thumbs up and also scroll down to the description box below. I'm gonna have a link in there for you. Just click on that, order your free starter kit, just pay $6 or $7 to get it shipped to you. And don't forget, you're gonna get a coupon for $10 off your first purchase, so that's going to cover the shipping and handling costs that you have to pay for this starter kit. And honestly guys, you're going to love the products that come in here. You can try all of this stuff. There's 15 or 16 different samples in here. They last 1 or 2 weeks, so you're going to have a good idea of how each thing works. Thanks again for watching. Like, subscribe, notification bell, all that stuff, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.